Hello, welcome to Talks Without a Map, the podcast where we take a wrong turn and just keep driving.
I'm Ridhima, childhood dreamer and professional overthinker.
And I am Rohan, former gullible kid, current gullible adult.
And today we are talking about the ridiculous, absurd, and downright dumb things we believed as kids. You know, those childhood myths that shaped our lives and made us who we are, slightly confused adults that we are now.
Like believing that if you swallowed a seed, a tree would grow inside your stomach.
Oh my god, yes. Avoided eating watermelon for years because I was terrified of turning into a human tree.
Yeah, like I'm just trying to imagine how you would have outgrown as a watermelon Ridhima. लेकिन अभी
तो हूँ ही यार watermelon जैसी हूँ.
See, that's why you consumed a lot of seeds then.
Yeah,
at that
yeah.
time. Yeah. No, but seriously, this is such an interesting topic because we believed today when we were discussing, I was trying to recollect. Oh, और क्या belief system में था यार कि ऐसा होता है वैसा होता है. But I could find out a few memories from my subconscious, childhood subconscious, जो मेरे जहन में थी.
Yeah.
Like I always believed that this people might find a little funny that there is some authority, someone who chooses your career.
Oh.
Like आपको बड़ा होके क्या बनना है?
हाँ.
Everybody asks you and everything. So I used to always feel like you don't get to choose that.
हाँ.
There is someone who, so you have to stand in the line.
God or
I don't know, some authority, some person.
Okay.
Like how we have zones in our BMC,
हाँ.
कि आपको अगर ये करना है तो आपको इसी जोन में जाना पड़ेगा.
So that was imaginary
Yeah.
authority.
Yeah. Like you turn a certain age, especially after your 10th standard, then even science, commerce, arts, somebody is going to designate that for you.
So you have no say in
No
that.
say. No. Somebody, yeah, no say.
I mean, that person will decide on your behalf that what are you supposed to do and automatically
Correct.
वैसे होते जाएगा.
Yeah.
वैसे.
Yeah, and I was petrified that someone would say that Rohan, you have to join the army. I'm like, I can't be a soldier because there is always a threat to your life, and
Oh my
not
God.
just that, it's a lot of hard work and physical work which I never did as a kid. So I was always
Pampered
petrified.
kid, huh?
I was obviously, but I was more petrified that, but I don't want to be a soldier, and what if he gives me being a soldier one day? कि आपको यही बनना है.
हाँ.
But then that myth obviously got demystified later, and
when was it?
I don't know what mostly.
No, when it got demystified.
I think 6th, 7th standard or before that.
Okay.
As a kid, like till the age of 8 or 9, I believed in this that
But
somebody
who
is
put
going
in
to.
your head?
God knows
Not
how
your
kids
parents.
grasp. No, not at all. I never questioned anyone about this also. Can you believe
okay.
it was just in my head that, oh shit, what if I have to be a soldier one day?
हाँ.
That way.
अच्छा.
But thankfully that was not true. Thankfully you get to choose your own career.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's all.
एंड मेरा क्या था पता है कि अगर कोई गुजर जाता है तो घर के लोग बोलते थे ना उनको भगवान ने बुला लिया
हाँ.
भगवान के पास गया है वो then I would when they would take the dead body I would keep staring at the in the sky clouds पे अभी वो clouds पे जाएंगे ये वो और फिर वहाँ पे वो भगवान के पास छोड़ेंगे and then they will come and I was somehow very fascinated by the clouds also कि वो टाइम में मुझे ये ऐसा लगता था कि वो लोग जब क्लाउड से आएंगे तो कितना अच्छा लगता होगा ना उन्हें कि फ्लफी क्लाउड्स पे चल के आ रहे
थोड़े से लेके भी आ गए नीचे.
एंड आई वुड कीप स्टेयरिंग एट दोस क्लाउड्स एंड देखती रहती थी एंड दिस बिलीफ वाज देयर टिल आई वाज अबाउट 10-11 years old.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, it was so engraved on my mind कि भगवान के पास जाते हैं मीन्स भगवान के पास ये सब लोग छोड़ के आते हैं.
अच्छा, that way. मतलब actual जाके वहाँ का वीजा लेके then they're gonna go.
Yeah.
Nice. There's a couple of more embarrassing things I believed. One was my mom she was very upfront about things.
Okay.
Like she always told me about human biology and stuff. But in words that I could understand at that age. So she used to say that women, like girls, have, so she never used the word uterus or anything. She said that they have a small theli inside their stomach, like a bag. Yeah, she used to say bag, correct. In Marathi we call it pishvi. Yeah. And she said that that's where a child sits, because I used to have a lot of questions, where does the child sit and stuff like that. So she used to say that we have a bag and the child sits that. Now I believe for some reason that even men have that.
Oh.
Okay, it's just that women give birth, but then men also have that theli inside them. So if at all I used to twist, or if I used to turn on the left, so I used to feel that inside it's going to get intertwined.
Oh, so cute.
The theli, it will jumble up.
Okay.
Yeah, it will intertwine or something like that, and उसको सीधा करने में बहुत मुश्किल होगी. तो immediately has to turn on the opposite side, so that many a times it happens that you something gets stuck, and then you have to rotate it on the other sides to make it even, make it normal. That's what I used to feel.
So as a since you're a dancer, so as a dancer, it restricted your
yes
moves?
At that time it must have happened, because as a kid I used to dance. Obviously I used to dance at that age also. तो होता था in my back of my mind कि if I take a left turn, अरे नहीं थैली है, wait let's go. let's equally take a right side turn so that it becomes even. So this is what I believed, and I believe it involuntarily happened to me till the age of 11 or 12.
Oh.
Although I knew that ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, but involuntarily your brain it becomes so active and conscious about these things. So ये मुझे उस वक्त लगता था, which was quite funny.
Talking about this, see, in our times, like periods के बारे में इतना बोला नहीं जाता था.
Correct.
Okay, so there was this code language, like in Maharashtrians they would say कावळा शिवलाय, means the crow came and touched, that's why your mom needs to sit in corner. Okay. नहीं तो बाहर चाहिए, means outsider. Okay. But probably your mom will know these things,
maybe,
because you can't relate to all these things.
No.
So I used to wonder, like whenever in those 4-5 days, like I used to think, how come that crow comes and touches my mom, and then why she has to sit in the corner?
Yeah.
I didn't know anything about periods, because they had this code language,
Correct.
Yeah. So that, and and whenever I would ask my dad ki असा कसा कावळा शिवतो, like how come that crow comes and touches my mom, ऐसे, then my father used to laugh, and this got demystified when I actually got my periods.
Oh.
Yeah. Tell me more stories about your childhood, because मेरे को इतने याद नहीं आ रहे हैं.
So I, like every kid of my generation, believed that God sends children, like children. That's how you. So again, you don't have a choice how many children. God is going to bestow upon you the children. Yeah. So my father used to work in Marathi serials as an actor at that time, and then I used to watch a lot of marriage sequences in that. Not in his serial, but in general, because that a girl and a guy are getting married and everything. Then I used to wonder, अरे ये सब उनके फेरे हो रहे हैं, ये अक्षता, what we say in Marathi, all the rituals are happening. Now, isn't the girl worried she'll get pregnant? Because I used to feel like this is how the girl is going to get pregnant, that ये सब फेरे and everything, which eventually it was going to culminate into pregnancy, is what I used to feel at that time. And then I asked my grandmother once that isn't the girl, the actress, isn't she concerned about the fact that I'm acting over here in this scene, but शादी हो रही है, मतलब इसके बाद उसे बच्चा हो सकता है. Then my grandmother was like, how should I explain it? And then she's like, no, that's just acting. That's all she said.
Okay, that's too funny.
What about you?
Even I didn't know, like I always thought that kids are God sent, like how you believed, even I believed. लेकिन हम लोग के टाइम उतना टीवी वगैरह नहीं था, तो वो टाइम हमें इतना सोचने का स्कोप नहीं था.
But you also believed in that scene, that God sends you and everything.
And what about ghosts and monsters?
But let me tell you, I still believe in those.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I believe.
यार मेरे को डरा मत.
I keep listening to podcasts, and mom and I, both of us, we love watching these podcasts. But disclaimer that don't watch it often, because it's not advisable for a healthy mind. But curiosity is something that it makes you listen to things.
But when
like
you travel alone and all, then you don't get scared.
I don't,
especially at night.
But nowadays I don't. Surprisingly, even if I'm sleeping alone, I don't actually, because I feel like क्या ही कर लेगा ये जो भी आएगा अंदर, because I am equally powerful. Like I can also do something to him or her. If ऐसे कोई आ गया है,
invisible ghost, what will you do?
क्या ही कर लेगा? I really want to check कि मैंने कुछ बिगाड़ा नहीं है तुम्हारा. What the hell are you going to do with me? So that is my attitude now.
So you are talking about karma also, that किसी का मैंने बिगाड़ा नहीं, तो कौन क्या बिगाड़ा?
Yeah, like if that person नहीं जो भी ghost होगा, he can come and chill over here. What? मेरे साथ क्यों बिगाड़ना है कुछ ना उसको? Come and chill and go whenever your time is there.
Okay.
But as a kid, obviously, because the thing is, you are not fully prepared for something like this. So as a kid, you are more scared.
Yeah.
You don't have that much confidence within your own self, and then because you have never witnessed, I haven't witnessed anything, touch wood, ऐसे paranormal. But now at least I know that if I do witness, I will be a mature person in handling it. As a kid, you're not confident enough. What would you do? You know, so sometimes if you have heard of sleep paralysis,
What's
so
that?
you're half awake and you
Acha,
feel like you want to get up, but you can't. Your body is not responding to waking up. Your brain is quite active, but you're kind of in your sleep, kind of woken up. So they say that it's because a demon is sitting on you.
Oh.
So that used to happen a lot to me as a kid, and I believe that, you know, that there is someone who's not letting me wake up. So, but nowadays it doesn't happen to me, fortunately.
Have you ever tried Planchet?
No, have you?
Yes, we used to do that.
And what were your belief systems at that time?
Like we really felt that, you know, the ghost comes and that ghost is moving the coin. Like वो कैसे करते थे? We used to make a chart, numbers, alphabets, and we used to place a coin in between. Then we would pray कि अभी सपोज किसी का नाम लेके, जो भी इस दुनिया में नहीं है उसका नाम लेके कि प्लीज़ आ जाओ एंड गाइड अस. एंड देन दैट we used to believe that after the ghost comes, the coin starts moving, and then you ask the questions, and then accordingly, as per their answers, the coin moves.
Okay.
So it still remains a mystery for me if it really works or it was a childhood ka koi game.
Oh.
But we used to play this a lot, and we believed that हाँ ghost आता था और ऐसे करता था. But I will never dare to play that game now. Sorry.
I was going to ask you, will you do it today?
No way. And do you believe in Santa?
I believed in it as a kid, and so I didn't grow up in much of a Santa Claus environment, honestly, because abhi we have started celebrating Christmas.
Okay.
But as a kid, I wasn't much into Santa Claus.
During
but
my childhood, there was no Santa
concept,
Claus and all. But when my kids were growing up, yes, we used to we started putting up Christmas tree and then gifts for them, like, you know, until date, okay, we still play Secret Santa.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
It's a great way to share your bond. I feel
Yes,
like
of course.
this is a nice
Of
game
course.
to play. But I believed in Santa Claus, that he's going to come and gift me something. So deep down I knew it would be my parents who would gift rather than the Santa Claus. But I wanted to believe it's Santa Claus. But I never got any gifts during Christmas. That's another thing.
My daughter would believe till she was 14, 15. She used to believe that Santa comes and keeps gifts for her. And Tooth Fairy?
What about that?
Like जब बच्चों के दांत गिरते हैं ना, तो वो पिलो के नीचे रखते हैं, and the next day they find a coin or coin.
Coin.
So that's
okay.
So
or
it
some
is
money
believed,
maybe.
Yeah, so it is believed that Tooth Fairy comes and keeps that coin.
Oh.
Actually हम लोग ही रखते थे, but
let the kid feel like it's true that way. Yes, so those were some of the funny things that we believed as kids. Again, this list is endless. I'll have to actually sit and think about more stuff I believed in as a kid. What do you think, Riddhima?
Maybe a few episodes down again we can discuss.
Definitely, like a part 2. Till then, I hope you enjoyed this podcast, this episode, and let us know which have been your absurd and funny stories as a kid that you believed. Till then, bye-bye.
And keep believing in weird things. Just maybe fact check them first.